we're in our free period and there's a fire alarm.
And I want to, like, I don't want to be here. I don't want to evacuate.
So we have to go off because apparently it's not a drill.
It's not a drill?
It's not a drill. Okay,
it's not a drill.
Morning, guys. It's what's the date today? Let's have a little look see. Ooh, Dreamcatcher. It is the 13th of September and it's Friday, which is good. Last day of school for the week, which is exciting. I have a busy weekend planned and it's the weekend before exams, so that's great. I feel like 2 days left of year 11. Like, that's kind of freaky. Like, what? Because the rest of, like, what? Because the rest of the term after Monday is just going to be all exams. And then I'm in year 12, in year 4. Like, there's a bit of, like, a turnover period, I think. Like, I feel like I'm actually going to close. Oh, no, I can't be bothered. I think there's, like, a couple of weeks in term 4 where I'm still in year 11. But for the most part, oh crud, it's already 7:20. I've got 10 minutes to get ready. Fun. Ooh, oh. Uh-oh. But anyways, let's just talk really quickly. Yeah, so basically, what was I saying? Yeah, so after the rest of the week I have exams. So Monday's my last day of year 11. And then it's the holidays. And then there's a couple, I think there's 2 or so weeks in, week in term 4 where I'm like, I think unofficially, like, well, officially I'm still in year 11, but like because we haven't done the turnover or whatever, and then we're in year 12, so yeah, I don't know, kind of stressed, kind of. I think I'm actually like, I don't know, yeah, I don't know, the exam wise I'm kind of like worried. But like, I mean, everyone is. I just want to finish year 11, start year 12, and then just like start like fresh, clean, like start my study notes week 1, not like 2 weeks before the exam. Like, that's good. That's fine. Fun and fresh, am I right? Yeah, I'll have a look at what my exam schedule looks like later. I've had a whiz with it before, and I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, on the bloody first day, I have 2 exams, which is great. But just chuck me in the deep end right there. But all of my like exams that I'm like most worried about are all kind of like spread out. But anyways, oh, I just kicked my toe. Ow. Okay, I need to get ready. I'm actually on bus duty this morning, which is fun, so I can't miss the bus. This is what I kicked. I bloody kicked through Wonderstruck. Why is that on the floor? Is a good question. I was gonna have a shower, but I mean, oh no, it's 7:25. Oh well. I had one last night, so okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, so we just got a bus duty. Tia and Tiff came to join me because I was all alone because my bus buddy didn't come up. Join me, but that's okay. No tea, no shade. But yeah, so now we're just going to assembly. Okay, bye. And we're really late, so we gotta go quick. Okay, bye.
Wait. Just I'm going crazy.
Maths.
I can't. How do you do it?
Math.
Does that work?
Yeah, I guess. So like just like this, and you go math.
And then W.
Math.
Ow.
We're doing a practice exam and it's kind of scary because I really thought I was good, but now I know I'm not.
What the hell is question 23 on start help?
I'm on now question 22.
Oh. I don't know how.
What's the trapezoidal rule?
So don't bother doing it.
What's the, can you tell me? Yeah, but can you tell me the rule? Can you tell me the
You
rule?
haven't even done that question. Which one? No, I haven't. I'm stuck.
So unhelpful.
Thank you.
Why is it 151?
We just finished math and we broke into the art rooms to steal a pencil.
Oh, I need a rubber too. This is a new rubber too, so we'll steal that.
Yeah. Okay.
Do I need anything else?
I don't know.
Do you want this?
Do you need some blue tack?
I don't need
I'm just gonna get
Wait. 2B. I've got a 2B pen.
We're gonna go now. Bye.
What's the popcorn for, Tiff? Society and culture. How the hell do you... Oh, it's there. No! Don't stop.
You ready? She's ready. Holy guacamole. And popcorn! It's a Japanese food.
It's a business. Also got a business party too.
Beautiful little teapot. I have English breakfast.
Yeah.
Did you put water there? No, because I just wanted. I'll turn the CD off. You'll say.
Oh yeah, that's how you do it. I've seen people do it like that before. Look, Olivia's the in-class sushi expert.
So you now have a bunch of excess seaweed, and then you stir it. And that's how. Okay, go have some of this.
I'll have some of it. We're in our free period and there's a fire alarm.
And I want to, I don't want to be here. I don't want to
So we have to
evacuate.
go off because apparently it's not a drill.
It's not a drill?
It's not a drill. Okay,
It's
let's
not a
go.
drill.
So it was
a false alarm.
It was a false alarm. Apparently something happened in the.
In the circuit system.
Oh, I thought
don't
something
really-
happened in the canteen.
Ready? Oh, can it not fucking zoom? That's just revolting. You know how like you can really zoom in? Why can't it zoom in?
Do you know what happened?
He's on the phone. Jazz, he's on the phone. You can see it on my nose.
Yeah, we thought it was in the music rooms, but it's not in the music
It
rooms.
was in no room. It just nothing happened.
Oh, that's unfortunate. Okay, so my free period is just about to end, but it's just before lunch, and I wanted to heat up my lunch so that I didn't have to come in when the kitchen was super busy. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. I had a pretty productive free period until the fire alarm went off, and then when I got back I was just ugh. So that was kind of annoying. Basically, we figured out what happened. Well, apparently, this is the main rumor going around. Basically, someone in the science rooms opened up the Bunsen burner or something, and the gas that leaked out of there set off the fire alarms. So fun times. So yeah, I'm just gonna heat up my lunch, and then I'm gonna go eat it. Funnily enough. So yeah. So Liv and I just found a sunny spot and we're sitting in the sun. We're about to eat Ferrero-Rochers because it's Liv's birthday on Sunday, and it's a gift that someone gave her, and we need a, I don't know, which one's your favourite? So basically we're just eating Ferrero-Rochers, and then we have legal studies. And we're tanning, fake tanning, except, well, not fake tanning,
real tanning.
We're sun tanning, and except I've got stockings on, so it doesn't really count. But yeah, so then we have.
Completely sunburned.
True. I just won't get. Oh, I just spat. Yeah, and then we have legal studies. So after this, we're gonna go to legal studies.
Fun and do nothing. Plenty my
Yeah.
birthday actually. We'll do that.
Literally. Okay. See you guys. Good night,